Hello friends, good evening. So in this time I came to visit the Belur Math. So let's see, this is the entrance gate of the Belur Math where I am going. That is a place related with the Swami Vivekananda who founded the Ramakrishna Mission and Math in the 1893 or 1901 maybe. So I am going to explore. So let's explore to get me the place of Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans and the Mata Sarda Devi. So it is one of the best place located in Kolkata, in the just on the bank of the Hooghly River, just opposite of the Dakshineshwar Kali temple. So I am going to explore and let's explore together with me. Thank you so much. So let's see, this is the entrance gate of the Belur Math, where I am here to go inside the Belur Math. Thank you so much and stay updated. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो अभी मैं बेलूर मठ के गेट पे हूँ और अंदर घूमने के लिए जा रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे 3:30 बजे का टाइम है खुलने का, जो टाइम हो चुका है। सो अभी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ अंदर जाने के लिए। सो जो कि रामाकृष्णा मिशन और मठ का हेडक्वार्टर है, जो कि स्वामी विवेकानंद द्वारा इस्टेब्लिश किया गया है। तो लेट्स सी, गेट ओपन हो गया और मैं जा रहा हूँ, तो मेरे साथ एक्सप्लोर करें।
In the Belur Math and I am going. I have to walk some distance, walking distance. So let's see and stay updated with me and explore to get me. So bolo Shri Mata Kali ki jai, and I am also feeling so excited and curious to visit the Belur Math because I want to memorize regarding the Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans and the Ma Sarda Devi. So stay updated with me and explore to get with me. Thank you. So this is the way from I am going. So let's see and stay updated with me. Thank you.
So I am going to explain about this Ramakrishna Mission and Math, which is located in Belur. That is a headquarter of the Ramakrishna and Mission and Math. So let's see and learn more things and fact about this the Math. And I am going inside. So the time has been the gate has been opened, and right now at the time at 3:30 p.m. I am ready and I am going inside. So let's see and explore to with me. So even we know very well about that the Ramakrishna Mission is the headquarter of the Belur Math and the Ramakrishna Mission founded by the Swami Vivekananda ji in 1897. So who was a chief disciple of the Ramakrishna Paramhans. So even it is located in Belur, West Bengal, India, on the west bank of the Hooghly River. So this is a Ramakrishna Mission Mandir and Museum. So I am going inside the Ramakrishna Sangrahalaya Museum and Mandir, but inside the museum, Mandir, Sangrahalaya, the camera, mobile and any device is not allowed. So I will not make the video and blogging inside the Ramakrishna Mandir and Museum Sangrahalaya. So I am going and to explore lots of places. Let's see. And really I also got a very good experience under the museum of the Ramakrishna, and I learned lots of things regarding the Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans, Ma Sarda Devi. So this is also one of the entrance gate which is before the Belur Math located here. So let's see, it is written Atmano Monakshe Jagat Divitiyaye Cha written on the gate of the entrance. So I am also so curious and excited to go inside the temple and to see the Ramakrishna Mission temple. Really it's one of the most beautiful temple where.
So Jai Ma Kali. So right now I just came close to the inside the Ramakrishna Mission Math and temple. So let's see and explore and let's see the view. Really I am feeling so awesome here, and I don't have any experience regarding the Ramakrishna Belur Math. So this is the view from the entrance of the. I am not sure about that inside this gate. I am able to make the video or not. So let's see and explore together with me and stay.
So Swami Vivekananda ji, who was returned back to the India from Colombo with a small group of disciples and started work on the 2-1 of the Belur at Belur, and it is notable for its the architecture that fuses the Hindu, Islamic, Buddhist and the Christian art and motifies as the symbol of unity of all religions. So in 2023 Belur Math was also inaugurated, which is dedicated to the Belur Math temples. So the Math can be also reached by the direct EMU train service which is from the Habra station, and we can also take the ferry from the Dakshineshwar Kali temple to reach, and by the road also we can reach here in Belur Math. So it is one of the most beautiful and wonder architecture in the peaceful area in Belur on the south bank of the Hooghly river where I am going to learn. We can see the natural and beauty of this place. So I just right now came. So this is the let's see. Oh my God. Sri Jai Sri Kali Ma, Jai Sri Dakshineshwar Kali, Jai Sri Ramkrishna Paramhans, and our contribution to the Ramkrishna Paramhans, the Kali Ma and Swami Vivekanand and Ma Sarda Devi. So it is one of the most beautiful headquarters of the Ramakrishna Mission and Math. Let's see, this is the view of the Belur Math. Oh my God, how is the architecture of this temple? Really, it's a very amazing and unique architecture of this temple. Inside the temple, camera and any device is not allowed, so I will not make from the inside, but outside we can view. I am also feeling so awesome and with good vibes of the Swami Vivekanand. I am memorizing about him. So we are also celebrating National Youth Day in every year on 12th January to mark the birth anniversary of the Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand, who was born as the Narendranath Datta in 1863, and Swami Vivekanand attained enlightenment on a rock in the middle at the sea in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, after meditating there for 3 days and night on 24 December, 25 December and 27 December. He got enlightenment there at the rock of the Kanyakumari in the middle of the sea. So there is also a there is also a Swami Vivekanand memorial in the memory of him built there in Kanyakumari, where I was also there and meditate and spend my 1 day there in Kanyakumari only. So that was also very good experience ever I got from there, and today I am also here in Belur, so I am also getting the good vibes and good positive energy from the Belur Math. So during his meditations, he also said to have had a vision of one India and the resolve to dedicate his life to serving humanity, and this resolve is known as the Kanyakumari resolve of 1892, where he got in Kanyakumari after enlightenment. So even Swami Vivekananda gave his famous speech in Chicago on September 11 in 1893 after getting the enlightenment from the Kanyakumari in 1892 at the World Parliament of Chicago Religions, and his opening remark was Sisters and Brothers of
Hello everyone,
America.
this is the Belur Math. I just got a bless of Swami Vivekananda and Ramkrishna Paramhans from this math inside. So let's see the view. Really it's a very amazing and unique place. I can't believe that today I am here in Belur Math. So really it's a good experience for me and God. So I took a bless of Ramkrishna Paramhans, Devi Sarda Ma and the Swami Vivekanand. So this is the view, and stay together with me and explore together with me. Thank you so much. And it is located just on the bank of the Hooghly river, and which is also called as the Ganga river in Kolkata. So let's see.
So we can feel about the birds are also chirping and twittering very well at this place. So we are also getting the sound of the bird which they are chirping and twittering. So really it's a very natural vibes of the temple that today I am getting here. So even apart from that, after giving the speech in Chicago in 1893, the Swami Vivekananda, he also introduced the Hinduism and India spirituality to the Western world and helped it to establish. Vivekananda was as a spiritual leader and philosopher who was become a great philosopher. So even Swami Vivekananda is considered the great philosopher of India. So at that time, even the Swami Sadananda is considered also the first disciple of the Swami Vivekananda. So even Swami Sadanand, who was born as the Sharat Chandra Gupta, who was the station master at the Hastras Junction when he met Vivekanand in the September in 1888, when he was traveling from the Vrindavan to Haridwar. In middle he took rest at Hathras. So when he was stopped at the Hathras station, so Sharat was impressed by him and invited him to stay in his quarters. After a days of 2 days, Vivekanand expressed a desire to leave, and Sharat resigned from his job to join him. So that was a very unique story also of the Swami Sadanand.
Let's see the
So
view of the
after
Swami
that
Vivekananda
he became as a first.
Vivekanand, the Ramakrishna Mission and Month, which is located in Kolkata as a Belur Math, which is the headquarter, which is founded by the Swami Vivekanand, who was a great disciple of the Ramakrishna Paramhans and Ma Sarda Devi. So let's stay with me and explore, and I can't explain about that how I am feeling here. So let's stay updated with me and explore together with me. And really I am feeling so awesome here, and it's my good.
So after the Swami Sadanand, Swami Vivekanand met with the Margaret Nobel. So an Irish disciple of Swami Vivekanand, Irish disciple who wrote memory about the Swami Vivekananda, who and later become known as the Sister Nivedita, who was a real name was Margaret Noble. So she dedicated her life to educating the girls in Kolkata, and she spent her childhood and early youth in Ireland, and she was engaged to marry a Welsh youth, but he died soon after their engagement. So she joined with Swami Vivekananda and become a disciple of the Swami Vivekananda, and got become from the Margaret Noble to the Sister Nivedita, the name given by the Swami Vivekananda, and called her as a sister. So she was also a very good disciple of the Swami Vivekananda, who established the school in Kolkata and education provide, and even she also provided the work like also helping the poor persons and poor children, and during the plague also, which was on the pandemic in Kolkata at that time during the Vivekananda. So this is the all story about the Swami Vivekananda. Really he was a great personality in our country, and even I am also following him because he is my inspiration personality. So there are lots of temples in the Belur Math. I am visiting all over the temples that is designed and made very well in the architecture of looking very good. So we can see which is located on the bank of Hooghly River. So we can also see the Hooghly River. The water of Hooghly River is also flowing from here, which is also passing from the, and here we can also came by ferry. We can took the ferry from the Dakshineshwar Kali temple, which is also located just opposite side of the river. So really it's a very good positive area where I came here today, and I learned and I paid tribute to Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans, and Ma Sarda Devi. Even Ma Sarda Devi, who was a wife of the Ramakrishna Paramhans, who considered as a Guru Ma of the Swami Vivekananda. So right now still I am exploring some places because it's very big area here, and for the museum I paid 25 rupees for Ramakrishna Museum Sangrahalaya. So there was camera not allowed, so I also learned lots of things regarding the Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramhans, and Ma Sarda Devi. So this is the Hooghly Ganga river, which is also flowing from here. So let's see the view of the Hooghly Ganga river. The Kolkata city and Howrah is also visible from the here, and many more peoples and persons and devotees of the Swami Vivekananda are also coming and respecting the rivers. We can see how they are respecting the rivers of the water. And even I also took a sacred dip into the river at the bank of the Dakshineshwar Kali temple. Inside the temple I took the bath in Hooghly river also, because it is one of the most sacred river in India, that is a tributary of Gange river. And even Ganga Sagar Island is also so popular here, which is located only 100 km away from the Kolkata city, and ordinary train is also available for here at a price of only 25 ticket. We can take the ordinary train from Kolkata to Ganga Sagar Island. So I am not going going to Ganga Sagar Ainar because I will go along with my brother, so I am not going there. So after that I will also go to visit Dakshineshwar Kali temple once again more. Before that I was also in Dakshineshwar Kali temple, and then I will go Mayapur ISKCON temple, that is the world largest ISKCON temple and headquarter of the ISKCON, which is considered as the birthplace of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadip in Nadia district, also located in West Bengal, which is only 150 km away from the Kolkata to Navadip and Mayapur, which is also located on the bank of the Hooghly river. So this is the night view of the Belur Math. We can see during the night it's also looking so good and unique. Even I also went thrice in this Belur Math temple, and I meditated there at least 2 hours inside the temple in Belur Math, and I remember the memory of Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahansa. I tribute them from inside the temple. So let's see from the outside in night. Really night it's also looking so unique temple here, and so awesome, and it's looking so beautiful here during the night time. So many more devotees are still going inside the temple to seek the bliss of Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Swami Vivekananda and Ma Sarada Devi. So many more saints are also staying here. So I also took a bless of the saint and the priest also here. Really they are very great personality who is also serving this temple. So our salute to millions of the salutations to them and Swami Vivekananda, Ramakrishna Paramahansa and Sarada Ma. Thank you so much.